the focus of our event, and there's a lot of people that dedicate and volunteer their time so that we can put on the Einzelpreisplattln. And one of the, probably the most important group is our Richter and Mittlebuscher. So we would like to recognize those people that have given their time and volunteered their time to watch us dance and provide us with criticism on what we do well and the things that we can improve on. I've done Einzel, I think, twice here and once at the Galfest, and I'm nervous every time I do it. And I think, you know, every dancer that goes out here has got butterflies in their stomach. But it's a way for us to show our talents and to get feedback on how to improve and to kind of show off, you know. We you know, why do we dance around? We're trying to impress those girls and get them on our shoulders. So I'd like to bring up the Richters. If the Richters could come up and stand to my left. Let's give them a big round of applause. And the first person we have on the top of the pile is Johan Force. Ronel Resch. Erica Hoover. Rudy Leschke. Teresa Wolin. Sean Smith. Tony Ward. And last but not least, Karen Markwood. Let's have a large round of applause for our Richters. And now, the big moment. We are going to hand out the awards for our Einzelplattln, and we are going to start with our Active 4 group. And we have in first place, Kathy Bruni. And her 10th partner, Roger Mowery.
All right, my first and last.
Yeah, so our first place winners in Active 4. And now we are moving on to our Dirndl in Active 3. We have in third place Annette Geissler. In second place, Carmen Williams. And in first place, Gnesda. And we would also like to recognize AnnMarie Mittlebuscher for participation. Thank you, Dirndl. And for the active slide Baum, we have in second place, Kent Strong. And in first place, Ternes. Our active dry Baum. Now we're going to move on to our active Dirndl. We have in first place, Tanya McDovall. And our active Dirndl. And now to our active slide Baum, we have in third place, Christopher Mobley. In second place, we have Eric Schwarzer. And in first place, we have Fritz Scheffler. And we would also recognize Frederick Mullen for participating. There's a hook. Yeah. Yes. Our active slide Baum. Now we are moving on to our active Dirndl. In third place, we have Megan Spoon Stanley. In second place, we have Marilee Williams. And in first place, we have Stephanie Williams. And accepting for Stephanie is her mother, Carmen. And we also would like to recognize Brenda Mittlebuscher and Caitlin Pithera for participation. Our active Dirndl. And last but not least, our active Baum. In third place, we have Eric Motz. In second place, we have, my cohort standing next to me, Thomas Mowery. And in first place, we have Adam Harris. Our active Baum. It's always hard to stand up in front of judges that will look at what you're doing and provide positive comments, criticisms on what you can do better. So take that and work, strive harder, and it's what we do. It's what we love. And even if you don't place, you can take pride in being out there. So they're going to bring the band back too, I hope. We cannot dance unless we have musicians. Ohne tanzen gibt ohne Musiker gibt es kein tanzen. So if we don't have musicians, we can't dance. And they're an integral part of what we do. So I would also like to recognize our musicians. So we have Fritz Baum. Christian Regenfuss.
I had to pay a lot of money for this.
Christopher Leschke. And Eric Mihailovich. accordion and button box players. So the band's going to resume playing here in a moment, and at the first band break, we will do our first set of Ampentänzer, which I believe is us, and then I don't got the list. Uh-oh, who's got the list?
Stand on. I'll get back to you. I don't have it.
Yes. So our first band break will be GTV Duo Belong in Los Angeles, followed by the Gemütlichen Schuhplattler Anaheim, and then the Bavarian Schuhplattler Edmonton. And our second band break will be B.H.T.V Golden Gate, Alpentänzer Schuhplattler from Sacramento, and then followed up with Enzian Schuhplattler from Seattle.